Here at Food Coma from CityShor. CityShor is launching Food Coma today. Food Coma is a new restaurant which has opened in Indranagar, and they are a fine dining restaurant serving multi-cuisine. We can have a look at the ambience. You can see it's a lovely ambience. The food here, we have tried the starters. The food is amazing. And I think the dessert is also excellent. I have the chef here, Chef Sharif. He'll give a brief introduction about himself. Hello, Chef.
Hi, welcome to Food Coma Powerhouse. And here is the Food Coma is a fine dining restaurant where the capacity of 80 to 90 guests together. They can dine easily one time, and we serve here like Indian, Chinese, tandoor, and pastry desserts. It's a French desserts. Everything is available here. If you want, you can.
So we are going towards the dessert section, which has been displayed very well by the chef.
This is all the.
So
this is all
as you
the
can
desserts
see,
what we have here.
these are the desserts. So this is what,
is
chef?
chocolate lava cake.
Choco lava cake.
Chocolate lava cake, and this is cheesecake, and this is chocolate brownies,
Oh, this is chocolate brownie, lovely pieced brownie, well decorated.
and this is triomos cake.
Tiramisu, this is
Triomos
Triomos,
cake.
okay.
And this is tiramisu,
Okay.
and this is cream caramel.
This is the caramel custard pudding.
Yes, cream
Okay.
caramel, and this is roasted almond chocolate ganache tart. This is our signature
This is a signature dish. So this is called chocolate ganache.
tart.
Ganache tart. Okay, lovely. So this is the base ambience here. We can see lovely decorated. We'll be having an event today, and it's a surprise for all of you. So we'll walk upstairs for the event. Chef, please join us.
Yes, please.
So we have a surprise at Powerhouse, which is another, branch for Food Coma.
Powerhouse is a team of all the electric equipments like fuels,
Lovely, amazing ambience you can see.
and all the transformers and everything. And here we have a live kitchen here. We can show you.
Okay, we have a live kitchen here. Let's have a look at the live kitchen. A unique way of making the pizza.
This is Chef Makdoum from.
Hello, chef. Few words about the kitchen, right? So, can you explain me more about the oven?
Here they are
So, this is a complete automatic one. Okay. See, this is the oven they have. As you can see, it looks lovely. They're making, this is chicken pizza? Chicken pizza, okay. This looks excellent.
This is a new technology of pizza right now.
So what is the technology? If you can explain some more.
Technology in airware pizza is there. Right now shape is different, or flour is different, oven is different, all are from abroad. And this is a new technology in the world for pizza. Right now everything is changing in the world. So new type of pizza is coming to everywhere. So this is the first time we bring to India this one.
Rectangular pizza, which I can see the pizza is supposed to be the longest pizza in India.
No, we can't say that one, but this is the longest we have is 35, 60 and 81 we have. The
Right.
80s, this is the 60 I guess.
This is a 60 centimeter long pizza. As you can see, the chef is making the pizza. It looks amazing. So we have an event which is going to start soon. So the food walk or the ramp show is here. So what pizza is this?
This is it's a very long pizza. It's 60 centimeters long. It's
Okay.
a veg pizza, so it's one of the specialities over here.
Right.
It looks yummy.
Smells
Craving
yummy.
for it.
Please go ahead and have your share.
Thank you.
Hello guys, so what are these?
Chicken biryani.
Okay,
Roti.
lovely.
Carry on, guys. Carry on. Yeah. See who's next.
Hi.
What is that?
This is butter chicken.
Oh my God.
Lacha paratha.
Okay.
Okay. Nice walk, by the way. Thank you.
Hi.
Hey.
So we have some amazing stir-fried vegetable in hot sauce
Okay.
with soy sauce. It looks amazing and can't wait to dig in here.
What are you having?
This is the famous butter chicken which everybody likes always.
I'm
Indian
sure.
Veg kadai and some naan. Let's see how it tastes.
Yes, please try it and tell me how is the taste.
So nice.
Good. So what are you taking?
Tempura chicken.
Tempura chicken, okay.
Most delicious, right?
Very good. Thank you.
Lucknowi biryani it is.
Okay.
And let's see how it is.
Yes, please try it.
So this is the butter chicken masala.
Okay.
Can you eat and show us? Can you eat and show us?
Definitely. Now give me the
That's okay. That's okay.
This is amazing.
We're
This is
having
really good.
fun.
It's amazing.
Visit
Awesome
this
place, guys. You
guys.
need to visit here. Definitely.
Hello.
This is the local chicken, the country chicken.
chicken.
Okay.
Fried rice, I believe.
Yes, and
Did you try?
having been waiting though.
Please do. Please do.
I'm sure it is good because everything else has been absolutely ready.
Really good. Very nice.
Right?
Thumbs up
The
from
rice are flavor, I think you should.
flavored rice. Very nice.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Now we have chef here.
Finally, the man behind all of this amazing food over here. We have Chef with us. Chef, thank you so much. We had a wonderful time with all the food items. Brilliant.